Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of delay on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will scrolling down until you find this window of Telegram and you will click here. Telegram. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode. And you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your watching and your attention.